the setup that I have here. I have a box with me. I've learned that I have to have a box with sides so things don't go flying in this truck, because this truck is pretty, yeah, pretty bumpy, especially with the trailer on it. And so I have my different strips. I'm actually making some, oh, do you like my snowman glitter tattoo I got at a Christmas celebration last night? But I'm making these for my son's class. I'm going to be going in this week. They're going to be making Christmas paper bead bracelets with some stretchy wire, or stretchy cord, which will be a lot of fun. So I'm making these along with some other beads that have actual characters on them, which I don't have with me right now. And you can see there's a few that I've already rolled here. They're just kind of sitting in the corner there. And so what I do is I get the strips in the box, and then I use this glue pen, because the glue pen is much easier to control how much glue is coming out, and you don't waste as much or get as much on your fingers. And I do sell these on the site at paperbeadrollers.com. You can also get them in a lot of just stores like Walmart, things like that. And then when I do get glue on my fingers, because you don't want to, you know, obviously you'll get little dried pieces of glue all over your beads if you're not careful, I do this. I bring a wet paper towel in a Ziploc bag, and I use that to clean off my fingers whenever they get a little too sticky. So I can just sit here and roll as we are rolling down the road, and get all this stuff done, and then I'll go home and glaze them so that I can have them ready for his class party on Wednesday. And that's really one of the ways that I travel with my bead rolling. It's that simple and that easy to stay organized, to keep everything nice and not you know, spread all over the car, or getting like keeping these from getting wrinkled up and crazy. And then as you're driving on the boring highway like this one, this is I-95 headed down south through North Carolina, you can keep yourself busy and be productive too. So that is my little method. So I hope that was helpful to you. This is how I'm able to get some bead rolling done while we're rolling down the road, rolling while we're